Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Indian Hotels Company. Our analyst maintains buy on Indian hotels with a revised price target of Rs 774. Quarter 2 to be amongst strongest quarters with July revenues rising by over 20% year on year. Despite weak quarter 1, the company expected to post double-digit growth in first half of FY25. Further, second half will see good growth momentum aided by good domestic demand and recovering foreign tourist travels. The management has guided for 25 to 30 new hotel openings in FY25. It already opened 6 hotels in quarter 1. With continued focus on capital-light strategy, with increasing share of capital-light inventory, EBITDA margins and return ratios will see consistent improvement in the coming years. The stock trades at 26 times FY26 and 22 times FY27 EV by EBITDA respectively. Next, we have an update on Zydus Lifesciences. Zydus Lifesciences, which is currently trading at 23 times its estimated earning per share for FY26 and 22 times for FY27, with projected EPS of 45.56 and 48.75 respectively. This valuation reflects stronger investor confidence in the company's growth potential, bolstered by strategic initiatives like partnership for osteoporosis treatment and advancement in its clinical pipeline. The current price-to-equity ratio suggests the market anticipates continued earnings growth driven by successful product development and regulatory approvals. Overall, Zydus valuation seems justified, with potential for further upside as it executes its innovative strategies.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.